Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different hairdos that you can create at your own place. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy. These are very attractive. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy. You just need some of the hairpins, comb, some of the hair accessories and you are done. Most importantly, you need to invest some of your time in watching this video. You can't just pause it if you will get confused at any particular step. Each hairstyle is usually inspired by giving the internal twist and some of the classical braids are to be made. These hairstyles are best suitable for the short length hair, medium length hair, even for the long length hair. It depends on the texture of the hair which one you want to follow. So just stay tuned and try to create such type of the hairdos at your own place. Maximum hairstyles are inspired from the bun-shaped looks, and here we are creating a lot of the buns using the braids, twists, turns. You just have to pause the video, then follow the each step. You may require some fancy hairpins for this one and you are done. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. It's best suitable for the short length hair. First you just have to take the hair from the two different strands and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. After that you just have to follow the each step as shown on your video. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suited for the medium length hair. We are going to convert it into the bun. You may require some fancy hairpins for this one. Let's move towards another hairstyle. You just have to take the two different strands, fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. After that, try to convert it into some of these cute heart shapes as apparent on your screens. Then fix them at the proper position using the rubber bands. This hairstyle looks quite easy and quite simple. It's a little bit time consuming due to the twists and the turns that you have to give. Let's move towards another hairstyle. For this, you just have to take some of the hair and convert it into the high ponytail as shown here. Then you just have to build a braid over this ponytail. As you can see, just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Tie it up using the rubber band at its proper position and loosen it somewhat so that it will add up some of the volume, decorated with some of the fancy hairpins. Let's move with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to take some section of your hair, and most probably the center one, convert it into the classical braid. Left over here from the two different ends, that are the two different strands, just convert them into the another braid in a zigzag manner, then loosen it in order to add up the volume to your hairdo. After that, you are just fixing them together using some of the hairpins. For this hairstyle, you just have to make the partition in between, then tie the two different ponytails as shown here. Then you just have to loosen the hair again as shown here. Just pause the video and then definitely give it a try. After that, you just have to build the fish cut, or we can see the normal classical braid. The choice is all yours. Give it the internal twist and you are done. Thank you.